In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a team on Docusign efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Docusign or simply looking to better understand the interface, this guide will expertly navigate you through the steps needed to join a team, making the process smooth and straightforward. Let's dive right in. Firstly, head on over to the Docusign website. You can simply search for Docusign in your browser, and it should be the top result. Once you're there, observe the homepage, which highlights their expertise in electronic signatures and agreement management, making Docusign a top choice for many individuals and organizations. Next, you'll need to click on the Login button. You should see this prominently placed, allowing you to access your account skillfully. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to create one by following the on-screen prompts. Creating an account is free and straightforward, so don't worry if you haven't done this yet. Upon logging into your account, navigate to the Docusign Home section. You can usually find this by looking at the menu options on the top of the page. The Home section serves as your dashboard, bringing important tasks and notifications to your attention, and it's where you can manage your activities efficiently. Once at your home dashboard, look for and click on the Admin section. This area is crucial as it governs all the administrative settings and permissions for your team. Being in the admin section allows you to manage users and access team configurations, which are essential when joining or forming a team. After clicking on admin, locate the users tab. This tab is where you can view all current users associated with your account and team. It also provides insights into roles and permissions each member holds, ensuring that everyone can work effectively and collaborate depending on their tasks and responsibilities. To begin the process of joining a team, you need to click on Add User. This function is crucial as it allows you to be added to a team or to add new members to your existing team. You'll need to fill out certain information or details required by your organization or team setup once you click on Add User. Ensure that the details you enter are accurate and comprehensive, because this information facilitates communication and task delegation within the team. The setup process on Docusign is designed to be intuitive, making it easier for you to adapt and connect with your team members. By following these steps, you should be aptly equipped to join or set up your team within the Docusign ecosystem smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.